And here's the latest in the 200 crore rupees Tihar extortion case. Jacqueline Fernandez is at the ED Delhi Zonal Office. This is the second time she will be questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. Now remember, Jacqueline Fernandez is being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate on a money laundering case. She had earlier refused to attend to some of the summons. This is with regards to a 200 crore extortion case for which Jacqueline Fernandez is under the scanner. She's at the ED office now after skipping 4 summons. Bhavtosh is joining me live. Bhavtosh, if you can bring us up to speed with this case, what is the level and extent of charges against Jacqueline Fernandez? What are the ED summons all about?
Well, as far as Jacqueline is concerned, she in fact was first summoned, and her statement was recorded on 30th of August. When she was first called in, she claimed that she had no idea about Sukesh Chandrasekhar, or for that matter, his wife. But in past 2 months, a lot has happened as far as this case is concerned. Since then, she had been summoned at least on 5 occasions. She did not join the investigation. On some occasions, she said that she has prior professional commitments, and that is the reason why she could not join the investigation. Now, on all these occasions, Afrida, she had been told to come with her bank statements and financial records of past 3 years. And ED during the course of investigation has found that there are some financial transactions between Jacqueline Fernandez and the couple, that is Sukesh Chandrasekhar and his wife Leena Maria Paul. Jacqueline has not yet issued any statement, but the other Bollywood actress and that is Noora Fatehi, she had denied any kind of financial transaction between her and Sukesh Chandrasekhar. She had always maintained that she is in fact a victim, and she recorded her statement as a witness. Sukesh and Leena Maria Paul are accused in a 200 crore extortion racket that was operated from Tihar jail. Jacqueline has finally joined the investigation. She is presently being examined by the Enforcement Directorate officers from Delhi. We don't know exactly what is her role. ED has also not issued any official statement as far as this case is concerned.
Yes, but Bhavtosh, like you mentioned, that earlier summons that were issued against her were not attended to. Would that amount to evading the law? Is that likely to go against Jacqueline Fernandez?
Well, as far as her earlier act of skipping the summons are concerned, yes, it's true that on 4 occasions and 5 occasions she did not join the investigation, and she was in fact asked to record her statement under Section 50 of PMLA. Now, under Section 50 of PMLA, once you record your statement, it is considered to be an evidence, and it can be used as an evidence in the court of law. The ED has said that any proceeds of crime that is taken during a case of PMLA, that is considered to be a proceeds of crime, and that can be attached. They have said that the investigation in this case has just started. They're looking into the possibility of money laundering. They have said that 200 crore rupees have been extorted from a industrialist's wife, and they have just started the investigation. They have said that Bollywood actors are under the scanner. 2 have already joined the investigation, that is Noora Fatehi and Jacqueline Fernandez. Others can also be called in. They have said that person of interest as far as the case is concerned is Sukesh Chandrasekhar and his wife Leena Maria Paul, who also has acted in movies including Madras Cafe.
All right. Thank you so much, Bhavtosh, for giving us all the clarity and the important points with regards to this case. It's a case of extortion in which Jacqueline Fernandez is being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. She's now appearing before the ED.